We wanted to check out the waterfall and the indoor tropical forest at the Changi Airport. We found that they also had a butterfly garden, and not too far from the waterfall, there were a bunch of winter jackets and snow. Before we get to the Changi Airport experience, let's recap some of the things that's been happening since we got to Singapore. In the first portion, we've been dealing with sweltering heat, and we spent some time walking around and checking out the sights. You can get to the Changi Airport via the metro system, so we figured out which train stops we needed to take and hopped on the train and took a ride over to the airport. From the entranceway, you can see that this area is quite circular and it's a pretty good size with a lot of seating areas and little balconies that you can shoot pictures from or take videos. After walking around and checking out the waterfall at the lower levels, we spotted a walkway up top which we decided to go and check out. Once we got to the top level, there were restaurants and other places to hang out and check out the top level of the waterfall. There's also a pretty large green space and a couple other attractions up here which we didn't venture into because I think they're mainly geared towards kids. I have to say the view from up here is pretty impressive. I was wondering why they had winter boots and winter jackets here in the airport. We're going to talk about the snow that I noticed while we're here, but for now, let's head on over to the butterfly enclosure to check that out. If you like butterflies, this will probably be a good way to kill half an hour while you wait for your flight. The butterfly enclosure is located in Terminal 3 International Departures Lounge. Going inside, you can notice that there is a pretty sizable enclosure for the butterflies, and they've also installed a waterfall.
Whoa! Sophia, look! Look how many butterflies!
So let's get to why there is snow jackets here in the airport. There's actually a Peanuts snow hangout, which they've designed to allow kids to experience snow. We took a peek inside the building just to see what was inside. They were preparing the slides and getting things ready for the kids. This is something that I think is pretty good for those kids who are probably not going to travel someplace to experience this kind of snow. And they have pictures at the end so you can check that out. Okay, this was a very short video, but I want to show you what we found at the Jewel Experience. In the next video, we're going to head over to Sentosa Island and check out some of the things that they have to show over there. I hope you'll come back for the next video. Take care.